We'll move on to our next story. Lagos Magistrate Court sitting in Yaba, Lagos has cleared Nigerian singer Naira Marley, Sam Larry and Prime Boy of involvement in Mohbad's death. Recall that Mohbad passed away in September 2023, leaving a void in Nigerian's entertainment industry. Despite a series of court trials and investigations, the circumstances surrounding Mohbad's death remains unknown. Moreover, Naira Marley, Mohbad's former record label boss, Sam Larry, and Prime Boy, a close associate, have faced allegations of involvement in Mohbad's death. According to the Lagos Magistrate Court's ruling on February 25, 2025, allegations against Naira Marley, Sam Larry, and Prime Boy have been dismissed. Furthermore, the DPP stated that prosecution would be filed against the auxiliary nurse who treated Mohbad, Shayo Ogedemwe, and Mohbad's friend Ayobami Sodiq. Okay, let's look at some of the reactions from the netizens. Mary Enakboko remarked, "So what do you people think we were expecting from you? Justice? That's funny. Who doesn't know the only crime in Nigeria is poverty?" Okay, this one is from Pleasure Sumto. "They should lay him to rest and leave justice for God. Everybody would definitely buy one day." From Anne Adra, she said, "The family of these Mohbad should lay him to rest in peace." From Efe, "What about the wife Black Widow who couldn't tell the public what actually happened to her husband that night? Dear young men, please very careful when choosing a life partner because some partners are life-threatening partner." Now I'll be starting from the last comments from this person. I don't know who this person is, but that is, I mean, everybody's entitled to their own opinion, but I feel like I'm addressing this person personally.
Yeah.
Have you actually gone through pain? Do you know, did you watch the video this lady, Omaomi, granted on, I won't call their name, but on different TV stations and different podcasts? Did you watch?
No, I don't think that's...
My dear, if you watched that, I don't know, maybe because I'm so emotional, you definitely get emotional. And you will know that this woman is someone, it took her so much. It's because of this whole allegation. She just wants her husband to rest in peace. That's why she had to come out and grant this. For someone to come out and say Black Widow, I don't think you've actually felt pain and you've gone through losing somebody. In as much as there were so many allegations on, you know, like on her, that, you know, the paternity test and all of that. But then she lost her life partner, and it's so sad that someone would capitalize on it, advising people to marry someone that can be able to say what happened to you when you're dead. She granted interviews. At some point, she broke down. She couldn't even talk. Like, it was so hard for her. September, that is a year plus already. But it was still so hard for her to come out granting those interviews. What do you think on this particular matter?
So, when I saw this story, it was just so sad because there were a whole lot of things that happened that period, even when we saw that he was crying out that these things were happening to him. Most of us took it as a prank or a joke of some sort, to the extent that the young man died, and right now it's a story for another day. And this is just so sad because our justice system is looking like, I don't know if I'll say the word, is failing us, because people don't trust the system no more. Yeah, one of the comments read, at the later end of the comments read, "What do you people think? Do you think were we expecting justice to get to the detriment of somebody's life? We are still not expecting justice." It's so sad actually, following this, running through this whole story from when it started to right now. Nobody is being held accountable, responsible for the death of Mohbad. It's just so sad, really. It's just so sad because this shows that, okay, somebody could just do anything, kill somebody and go scot-free. Really, just drag the matter for court, go drag them up and down, drag them up and down. At the end of the day, now who get money now? The young man is dead and gone and gone and gone and gone, and we're just here,
And
living in sadness and agony, really. Because, and again, the shot on his wife, I would rather not say anything else about that one, because really, when you lose somebody,
you would understand.
You would understand. I think that's just where I will end it on this particular matter.
Honestly, I feel like I shouldn't even say so much on this. That's why when people come out and be like, "I want to leave Nigeria" and all of that, see, Even if someone want to leave Nigeria because they had like they felt headache and they couldn't buy paracetamol, they want to leave. My dear, leave. Honestly, because at this point there is no justifiable reason to even stay in this country. I'm being really plain, honestly, because why would Mohbad's death, God bless his soul and may he rest in peace, like it's really sad. And then I saw something that Naira Marley wrote on Instagram saying how he's feeling bad that someone he protected and loved and took in as a son and brother, that his name was involved in his shadow, that silence is painful, that it hurts him so much that he couldn't even be here to defend him and clear his name on this matter. He was it just a few minutes ago before we got on this show. I'm not actually saying that anybody is guilty or not guilty, but then, just like someone said, justice is for God, because at this point, okay, now the nurse that administered drugs to Mohbad that they want to prosecute, wasn't it someone that called her? Did the nurse just appear? It was someone that made a phone call. I listened to the lady's her speech and her interview she granted. She was even saying that till then Naira Marley and Sammy Larry, they were threatening her. They were threatening her life, and nobody could do anything. Only for us to wake up today and they've cleared them of all charges, all murder charges, and all of that. I just know that there is nothing that goes, you know, without God's notice, because things might actually be happening, and on the other end, it's like, oh, it's favoring me and all of that. God knows all. God knows everything, and He sees everything. Well, this is my message to Mohbad's widow, Omaomi. It's really, really painful, and you know, even to the parents, actually, even to the child that he left behind, it's really painful, you know, watching someone you love not getting the right, you know, justice system, and Nigeria failed Mohbad. Because trust me, I would say that I'm not saying that in the sense that the High Court's proceedings on dismissing them, from clearing them from every murder charge. I'm talking about how long this has taken. Do you know that Mohbad has not been laid to rest? Mohbad is still in the mortuary. He has not been laid to rest. So that young man, Nigeria failed him. We all failed him, including me. We all failed him. Honestly, that's all I can say on this. We all failed him. And it's really sad. Really, really sad. Because how far can we take in? How much can we take in? How far can we? It could be anybody. You could wake up tomorrow and it's your brother. Mohbad could be anybody's son. He's actually someone's son, someone's husband, someone's father. And it could be anybody tomorrow. And we all will still fold our hands this way, looking and listening and watching. It's actually, well, rest in peace to Mohbad. It's really, really sad, sincerely. Rest in peace to them. Because if for anything, why would they be cleared of murder charges after bullying him with the whole evidence we got? Like, it was very clear, very, very clear. They bullied him. I'm not saying anybody killed him, but the bullying. So what about it? Why didn't the court, you know, what is, I want to know what the charges for those bullying were. Okay, the murder, okay, it was the nurse or anybody that killed Mohbad. What of the bullying? Now, what is the fate of we, the Gen Zs out there? We, the youths, we're the future of Nigerians. That's why it's more like, you know, children of renowned people and successful people are not in this country. That's why if you have money, go just fly your Peking, because nobody wants to hear a story that touches the heart. Because I wonder how the mom or people that love him will be feeling. Just imagine that feeling, like you couldn't protect somebody you love, and then the only last hope you had, court, to actually pass right judgments. Just let it be. But then it is well.